Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to design a clean and modern March New Month flyer using Affinity Studio. If you want your flyers to look more professional, well-aligned, and visually balanced, then stay with me till the end of this video. And without wasting time, let's dive right in. We'll start by setting up our canvas. Set the size to 2000 pixels by 2000 pixels. And once you're done, click on Create. Next, I'll go to my gallery and import the image we'll be using for this design. I got this image from Pinterest and I used ChatGPT AI to refine the prompt before generating a better version. After that, I made some minor adjustments in Photoshop and this is the final result. Now let's scale the image properly and make the necessary adjustments. Once it's positioned correctly, lock the layer so we don't accidentally move it while working. Next, go to the Shape tool or press M on your keyboard and create a rectangular shape. We're doing this to apply a gradient effect because we want the right side to appear darker for better text visibility. Reduce the opacity on one side of the gradient to 0% and set the other side to black using the color code number 000000. Adjust it carefully until you achieve a smooth blend like this. Now, let's turn on our grid to maintain proper alignment. Go to View, navigate to Show Grid, or press Ctrl+ to turn it on. You can use the same shortcut to turn it off. We'll use the grid as a guide to keep everything aligned and balanced. Next, create another shape, remove the fill, and add a stroke. All the resource files used in this tutorial will be available in the description below. Apply the settings as shown on the screen. Now let's insert our text. Apply the text settings accordingly. Next, create another shape here and rotate it to 90 degrees. Then create a rectangular shape like this and apply a gradient color to it. Duplicate the text and change it to March. Position it properly. Now let's work on the description section. Adjust the spacing and alignment to maintain a clean and professional layout. After arranging everything, select all the elements and rotate them slightly, about 3 degrees, to give the design a more dynamic look. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and drop your comments below. Keep creating, keep improving, and keep learning. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.